Man, do I love trucks that make me look small. And behind me is a brand new TRX. And I gotta be honest, man, I love this truck. People come to me all the time and ask me, look, I want a truck, what should I get? My answer is always this guy behind me. Now what I have behind me is a custom TRX. And in this video, you're gonna see us painting the calipers, changing the color of the truck, painting all of the plastics, and exactly how we do it. Stick around as we show you how you take a $100,000 truck and make it priceless. So when you get a TRX from the factory, listen, I'm gonna be the first one to tell you this truck is amazing. The interior is awesome, the powertrain makes it, and I enjoy the styling. I think this really has a presence on the road. But really there are some areas that completely suck about it. And here are the ones that we addressed. Now one of them is that your calipers come just raw and unfinished. And as you saw, changing the color of the calipers really makes a big difference. It's a statement piece behind the wheels. Also, like Dodge, man, this truck comes with a lot of plastics, like crazy amounts of plastic. What we wanted to do on this truck was subtle. We wanted to give the owner an opportunity to have a custom truck without having to have a gaudy truck. And what we did is we selected specific pieces on this truck and made them gloss black. Now you'll notice as you watch the video a couple of times that we did leave some of the plastic pieces untouched. And that's because it really creates an awesome balance. So for all of you TRX owners that are out there that are ready to do more than just what Dodge gives you, let us know here at Empire Auto Spa.